Mark Maloney here with Arrival by Kreisel. I often get asked by my customers about what to do if their favorite workhorse, reliable transporter gets damaged. Maybe a little too much rough handling here pulls something apart, or a little bit of a knife accident from that Hannibal Lecter guy you hired. Didn't work out so well. Anyway, no matter what the damage is, we have a very quick and easy repair. 3M makes a great product called Super 77. It's available in any of your big box stores, Home Depot, Lowe's. On the shelf, it's about $7 to $10. Now, it is perfectly formulated for our transporters, the urethane foam. It is a volatile solvent though, so I recommend two things. Number one, use a rubber glove just to protect your skin. And number two, do it outside or at least in a very well-ventilated area. All right, easy enough. Maybe one day you just went a little crazy with your flour knife, or perhaps that Hannibal Lecter guy you hired, he just didn't work out so well. Anyway, complain to Human Resources. But so Hannibal had a really bad day, and he decides that he's going to take it out by destroying some property. Now look at what he has done to your transporter. Don't worry. Remember, we're outside. Key is spraying both edges, bottom and the top, with your rubber glove on. Wait until it gets a little bit tacky. You can usually tell this with your finger. Once it's tacky on both sides, push it down, and that's it. Give it about 15 minutes to get solid, and you're as good as new. Mark Maloney, here with Transporter 10 and Arrival Products, helping you keep your equipment and your flowers top shape.